Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export video in Premiere Pro. So without any further delay, let's begin with the tutorial. All right, guys, I have already added the video to the timeline that we're going to use in this tutorial. There are two ways to export the video. If you click on this arrow icon on the right, so this is called Quick Export. You can export the video in different quality from here, and you can select the location from here where you want to save the video. Then click on Export. Second way is to click on Export up right here. Now you have so many different settings that you can enable or disable. Once you finish everything, click on Export, and Premiere Pro will start encoding the video. That's how you can export video in Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If you want to know how to freeze a frame in Premiere Pro, then watch this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friends.